Hey, what's up, guys? This is take 2 on Rock Band 3, our singing. So, yeah, the last recording kind of sucked because we didn't know the song. So, yeah. But we're gonna sing "Crazy Train" by Ozzy Osbourne. So, sit back and enjoy the entertainment. Just so that I get the same time. Sing with me. You sing with me. You can sing when you want.
I'll just sing with you, I guess. Stay with you.
You just do what you want, girl.
I'll sing with you. Whenever you want my part, you can sing with me. So you can help me. I'll wait for you now.
Crazy, but that's how it goes. Millions of people living as foes. Maybe it's not too late to learn how to love and forget how to hate. Many wounds not healing, lessons in the shame. I'm going out the rails on a crazy train. I'm going out the rails on a crazy train.
Sing that.
Let's go! I listen to these verses. I listen to schools. I watch all the dropouts who make all the rules. I'm a person of color. I don't know the words, but I'm still singing.
That's wrong.
Missing those are screaming, to be insane. I'm going out the rails on a crazy train. I'm going off the rails on a crazy train. I know that things are going wrong from here. For me. You gotta listen to me as well. Yeah.
You're struggling on the words. I can sing high. I'm singing
Super
over
struggling.
You. Sorry. I'm singing over you. I'm sorry.
It's not that. It's just I don't know the whole song. But
I know some of it, not all of it.
I
It
know.
doesn't matter. Whatever you do.
I know half the song. That's it.
I'm not the lead singer, so I can't help it.
I know.
I'll sing with you. But that looks like you're messing.
Here's the Cold War and what's in the tongue. And then the sun was a vision gone. Crazy, that's just how it I'm living with something that just ain't fair. Mental wounds not healing, cause the blood's to blame. I'm going off the rails on a crazy train. I'm going off the rails on a crazy train.
Stop it.
And the highest sucker score is 100!
I
Hey!
helped you. Hey, I helped
High
you.
fives. Oh shit, there goes the microphone in the floor.
See, I told you I sing really good, really high. I told you.
Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. And we hope you enjoyed our wonderful
the
singing.
one part where you just sat there